Welcome to the InnoBridge project, an inter-regional project funded by ERDF money from the European Commission in the program Interreg Europe. Who are we? We are 9 partners from 8 different regions all over Europe, starting in the north with Tampere in Finland, to Alentejo in Portugal, until in the southeast, Sofia. What is now the aim of our project? The aim of our project is to increase the SME competitiveness and at the core of the InnoBridge project by improving the innovation bridge related to the policy instruments we have in our regions. To bridge the gap between innovation and the commercialization of results for SMEs. How do we want to reach these ambitious goals in all of our regions? Based on the strong involvement of the regional authorities, we will, in the first step, evaluate certain instruments. Then we will identify good practice possibilities and examples, and followed by an implementation phase. And all these steps are supported by learning and exchange programs between the partners, peer reviews and study programs that we will do the next years. And you will see a lot of videos where you can see what we will do and what we have done and the results of that. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Kerstin Koren. I'm from the Regional Government of Lower Austria. Due to the good experience we had in the past with EU projects to evolve and revolutionize our system, our funding system, we are very proud to be a part of this consortium where we want to focus on our R&D funding and our TIP funding. TIPs are a cooperation with our Chamber of Commerce, where we fund a consultancy in innovation. So the aim for us to participate in this consortium is to get a feedback, to get an evaluation, and to improve these instruments in the next 3 years. Thanks for seeing.
Hello, my name is Gregorio Muñoz and I represent the Foundation for Universities and Higher Education in Castilla y León. Castilla y León is a region in the center of Spain, and our expectation from the InnoBridge project is to improve the 2 political tools that we have selected for it, which are the network of knowledge transfer between universities and companies, which is our network called TECUE, and the network of scientific equipment to be shared between all universities and science centers in the region, called Interreg.
South Tyrol is a very small province in the north of Italy. We have 500,000 inhabitants. The current economic situation is very good, but the innovation rate is very low. And so we need to make a more effective exploitation and commercialization of R&D results by our companies.
Our aim is to integrate the current R&D instruments in order to support the SMEs in the commercialization of the R&D results. Also, through a better collaboration between research centers and companies, we try to increase the transformation of R&D results into business opportunities.
West Transdanubia is the second most developed region in Hungary. Regarding GDP data, there is so-called innovation paradox because innovation indicators do not meet expectations. West Transdanubia is a moderate R&D intensive region. SMEs and startups have shortcomings in their management. SMEs have limited resources in own R&D, RDI process, and have limited access to the public R&D result. Pannonnovum acting has been working more than 1 decade as a regional innovation agency. Our main mission is to have the innovation activities of SMEs from the idea to the market, and in close cooperation with the Ministry for National Economy within our address policy instruments, which is Economic Development and Innovation Operational Program, we would like to foster SMEs innovation activities and to put more focus on market potential. That is why Pannonnovum is ready to share knowledge and experiences with InnoBridge partnership and their stakeholders.
Hello, my name is Tiina Ramstedt and I come from the Council of Tampere region, Finland. The instrument that we have chosen to InnoBridge project is the instrument of open innovation platforms of Structural Fund Program of Finland. Our region is the second biggest region in Finland with 500,000 inhabitants. It's also an important region of education and research with 3 universities. Our unemployment rate was in 2015 10.7%. Since 1994 we have been running the cluster policy programs, regional cluster policy programs, since we have a really nice traditional industrial background. But in 2008 we started seeing alarming weak signals that we need to rethink and open up the Finnish paradigm of innovation policy. There are no safe bets anymore in the existing industrial clusters. We need to focus on new emerging ecosystems and the global co-creation. International partnering is crucial since we need the collaboration with other ecosystems. The InnoBridge partners can play this very important role.
Hello, I'm Daniel Janeiro. I represent ADRAL, Alentejo's Development Agency from Portugal, which mission focuses on the economic and social development of the Alentejo region in cooperation with other local, regional and national partners. And the instrument we provide is the Priority 1.2 from the Alentejo 2020 Regional Operation Program, which aims to promote business investment in R&D, to develop links and the synergies among businesses, research and develop centers and the higher educational sector.
My name is Sevdelina Vainova and I'm Director of Programs of Sofia Development Association. Sofia Development Association is a non-governmental organization working in support of Sofia municipality. We are focusing on policy development and outreach based on the quadruple helix model, which means outreach to the business community, the academia, the citizens and the civic organizations. We participate in the InnoBridge project with an innovative policy instrument of ours, the Public-Private Fund for Innovations, which specializes in creative and cultural industries. It's a relatively new instrument. It's been in existence only for 3 years, so we are hoping through our participation to be able to scale this instrument up and to update it to respond to the needs of our community better.
Hello, my name is Daniela and next to me is my colleague Denica. We work with the Applied Research and Communications Fund, which is the leading research think tank in Bulgaria and NGO in the field of innovation. We are one of the 2 Bulgarian partners in the project, and Bulgaria is involved in the project with the Sofia Fund for Innovations, which is a pilot instrument supporting innovations, and it is a challenge for us to exchange experience with other partners and to identify some areas for improvement of this instrument.
I come from the Malopolska region, which is the second best research region in Poland. And in the InnoBridge project, we concentrate on the most important instrument for fostering R&D and innovation in Malopolska companies. Especially, we would like to share our innovation vouchers scheme with other partners, which we find very attractive and very easy. We believe this is a good practice, valuable for others. We are very happy to see other partners' perspectives and ideas and tools helping technology transfer really happen. InnoBridge helps us not only to be inspired, but first and foremost to be even more effective with EU funds for commercialization.